To remove the door mirror glass on the Mini Countryman, you'll need a wide pry tool like Bojo Tip 2 and get it behind the mirror glass. The glass is sort of on a round fixing which is clipped all the way around.
To remove a mirror on a Mini Cooper F-Series, all you need is a hex number 5 and a small screwdriver. First, you grab the mirror, you turn it one way, remove the little plug. The first bolt I would remove completely, so it doesn't get stuck. And turn the mirror the other way. Remove the little rubber plug. Then use it. Remove the bolt. The mirror is becoming loose. Slide it out. Now this plug, you grab it from two sides. This side and this side, squeeze it, it will come undone.